Our people are tired, but they're mad, and for sure they will fight this time.
Quebec public sector workers in health, social services, and education are planning strike days in November if the government's new offer, expected Sunday, isn't accepted. On November 6, unions that fall under the Common Front, representing some 428,000 workers, will be on strike. For elementary and secondary schools, the strike will last until 10:30 a.m. Schools will start late that day, but each school can decide to close for the whole day. The strike also affects CEGEPs. They'll be closed until noon November 6th. Healthcare workers will also be on strike for 24 hours that day. Essential services will be maintained, but the workforce reduced by around 20%.
Everybody will have services, and we'll be there to give for all emergency, and everything will be there, but it's more for the normal appointment will be a little bit slower.
The FIC, Quebec's largest nurses union, will be on strike all day November 8th and 9th. Essential services will be maintained, but things won't be running at full speed. The Fédération autonome de l'enseignement, which doesn't fall under the Common Front, also voted for a strike, but a date hasn't been set yet. More disruptions are expected if negotiations don't advance. 95% of Common Front members voted for a general strike, but must do 2 short strikes before that. There could be another strike day for their members in November.
It's the beginning. I hope the government will understand and will have something nice on the table, and can try to find a good collective agreement for everybody.
If this does lead to an unlimited general strike, schools would be closed, essential services in healthcare would be maintained.
I think the population wants to have a good services, and I think they were behind us, and our goal is not to do strike. Our goal is to have a good collective agreement for our members.
Workers are asking for better pay and working conditions. They say negotiations have been at a standstill for a year.
We signed nothing. We have agreement on nothing. So I think after 1 year, I think we're really calm and we're really nice people.
The average salary for Common Front members is $44,000 a year, which they say is not enough for the cost of living, with some turning to food banks.
Our salary are 11% less than all other people in Quebec. Our people have no money, and the people is leaving the public sector to go in the private sector to have more money.
November 6th, workers will be demonstrating in front of schools, CEGEPs, and health centers across Quebec. In Montreal, Tenneriello, City News.